It is the morning time, guys, and we're getting some new parts for the mini bike. Gonna get a new throttle cable today. Gonna get a new front tire, it's flat, and then maybe get some strobe lights for it. And then it should be ready to go. Taryn wanted to show us the custom seat he's gonna make.
So it doesn't look like a seat right now. Don't mind that stain. Size, and then shape it around it, and then like staple it on there.
Custom design.
Just like you would do any regular.
On our way to get food and then go to the store for the parts. Exactly 10:10. It's time to go, boys. Just got out, parked it nice. We were at the Carl's Jr. today. That's where we're gonna be eating our breakfast.
It's starving, dude.
Yeah, me too. We'll really be getting soda today, but we're with the boys.
Yeah, I wanna get that.
Looks good.
We said that.
Coffee master right here.
This is innovation.
Innovation right here.
I'm living in 2030, boys.
Oh, got the garbage can right there. Just ate. They're gonna get back on the road, go to Tractor Supply, pick up some stuff. There you go.
That's my morning tea right there. Ethan.
Oh yeah. We're just gonna leave that thing there.
Totally. We've arrived.
Tractor Supply Co. Let's go.
Jesus.
Whoa. They almost hit us.
Many options.
Found the first tire right here. That size 1699. Right here. Gonna transfer it over. Have a little tire talk. Hey, turn. I found your Christmas gift right here. Got that?
It's my first car.
Brand new Mac. Yeah.
It's my first
I'm gonna go
car.
take it out, play with it. Found nothing at Tractor Supply Co. But now we're gonna go to Mike's. I gotta pick up the 90 tire. It'll be better there. They'll have more tires and stuff. So. Look at that green Honda right there, guys. Looking pretty scary.
Look at all these keys.
Yeah.
So,
Got our lonely little tire right here. Gonna put it in the back of the Jeep. Oh yeah.
so long ago.
4637. And we have this right here. And where's the tire? Back here?
Yeah.
Yep.
You have arrived.
We have arrived.
Nailed it. But, I
So
mean,
Taryn just finished the throttle on this thing. Custom throttle right here. 90's all ready to go. Got the new tire on there. Let's go rip. Taryn wanted to show us the throttle today. Right here. Doesn't get any more custom than that. Young gun be ready to go.
died.
What happened?
It died.
The engine?
Which way's the gas? Turned off?
Yeah, probably.
No, it's turned off now.
Here, let me try it. Here.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah?
All I had to do was flick the switch on. Now look. That one. Maybe, oh, it does do something, dude.
Yeah. Damn, she hauls, bro.
Hey, you want to do a top speed race?
What?
Let's do the race up there.
All right. You're going faster than me, bro. Breaking off the chain. It was running good, but then the chain kept on popping off, so we're gonna get another link taken off. 90's running good. And it needs to go to work in like 20 minutes.
Ain't no complaints.